To send money from Pakistan to India, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Xoom. These services have a wide network of agents and banks in both Pakistan and India, making it easy to send and receive money. Next, you will need to gather the necessary documents, including a valid passport, national identity card, and proof of address. You will also need the recipient's full name, address, and bank account details, if you are transferring money directly to their bank account. Once you have all the required documents, you can visit a local agent or bank that offers the money transfer service you have chosen. You will need to fill out a transfer form, which will require you to provide the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. After filling out the form, you will need to pay the transfer fee and the amount you want to send. The transfer fee will vary depending on the service you use and the amount you are sending. You can pay using cash, credit card, or debit card. Once the transfer is complete, you will be given a reference number, which you can use to track the status of the transfer. The recipient can also use this reference number to collect the money from a local agent or have it deposited directly into their bank account. It is essential to note that there are some restrictions and regulations on sending money from Pakistan to India, so it is crucial to check with the money transfer service and the relevant authorities before making a transfer. Additionally, you should also be aware of the exchange rates and any additional fees that may be charged. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, make sure to use a reputable money transfer service, and always keep the reference number and transfer details confidential. By following these steps, you can easily send money from Pakistan to India.